Hello, everyone. Welcome to Magic Science Station. I am Kiki.
Hello, everyone. I'm Lucky Q, and I can transform.
Lucky Q, can you draw a jellyfish for the kids?
No problem. I am a master artist. Done.
Let me take a look. Oh, that doesn't look like a jellyfish. Let's go and see what a real jellyfish looks like, shall we? Learning time. What do jellyfish look like? Its oral arms look like ribbons. The head of a jellyfish is like an inverted. These are the slender tentacles. Moon jellyfish. There are many kinds of jellyfish, and they look so pretty. Moon jellyfish are completely transparent, and fried egg jellyfish look just like fried eggs. There's a giant jellyfish in the ocean called lion's mane jellyfish. It's one of the longest jellyfish in the world. Let's find out how long it can be. How many cars do you think it would take to match the length of a lion's mane jellyfish? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A lion's mane jellyfish can be as long as 7 cars. It can reach up to 35 meters.
Thank you. I got it now. You got it right. Well done. It's a piece of cake. I can even transform into a jellyfish. Wow, the jellyfish has so many tentacles. It must swim super fast. Swim, 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 swim.
A real jellyfish doesn't swim with its tentacles.
Huh? No need for tentacles? How does the jellyfish swim then?
Do you know that? Now, let's hear from Dr. Wise. Let's find out how jellyfish swim. There are many kinds of jellyfish, but they all swim in the same way. Oh no! That jellyfish fell behind! Help it catch up to its little friends! What do you think the jellyfish swims with? Great job! It's swimming with its head! Come on, just a little bit more! You're amazing! They met again! Do you know how the jellyfish swims now? Is it with the head or with the tentacles and oral arms? That's right! The jellyfish first opens its umbrella-shaped body to let water in. Then it expels the water, and the force of the water helps it move. What are the tentacles and the oral arms of a jellyfish for? Look, the fried egg jellyfish has caught a small fish with its tentacles. Let's get closer and see what happens. The slippery tentacles of a jellyfish have many stinging cells. When something touches them, they shoot out stingers and release venom. After the fish is stunned by the poison, the jellyfish can have a meal. Do you now understand the purpose of the jellyfish's tentacles? No, the jellyfish's tentacles, that's right. The stingers on the jellyfish's tentacles can stun small fish. Most jellyfish have venomous tentacles and oral arms, so it's very dangerous to touch them. As As amazing as jellyfish are, they can be scared of some ocean creatures, like sea turtles and sea anemones. When jellyfish see them, they swim away as fast as they can.
That's all for the jellyfish knowledge. See you next time. Jellyfish, jellyfish, I want to see a jellyfish right away.
Kids, would you like to see a jellyfish? Let's go together. Do you know where jellyfish live? Jellyfish don't live in the grasslands. That's right. Jellyfish live in the ocean.
Let's go.
A little octopus.
Where are all the jellyfish?
Let's go and search for jellyfish together. Uh-oh. Is this a jellyfish? This is a squid wearing a seashell hat. Is this a jellyfish? It's actually a horseshoe crab wearing a seaweed skirt. It is an octopus hiding inside the shell. Look, is that a jellyfish? This is a squid wearing a seashell hat. Look, is that a jellyfish? Awesome! We found a moon jellyfish!
Finally found it! Kiki, where is the jellyfish going?
Let's go look!
Wow! Wow! Super, super beautiful!
I've never seen so many jellyfish before. Uh-oh! That jellyfish is in danger!
Where is it? Where is the danger? There it is! Oh no! The jellyfish got caught by the sea anemone! I'll go save it!
Let's try to push the jellyfish away.
Hurry! Don't be afraid! I'm coming for you! Hey, yo! Hey, yo!
Give it another try.
What to do? I can't save it!
Let's find a way to help the jellyfish escape.